Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for Monday, April 14th, 2025. Before we get started, please give me a like, give me a subscribe or a follow or whatever it's called on whatever platform you're watching. And as a thank you for doing that, because I'm sure you've done it by now, there's a cute baby otter sleeping in some fall foliage. Ain't it just adorable? All right, let's get into these charts. All right, so what we're seeing since last night when I made the video, let me go bring this back to the 9-day and make it big. We'll look at the 9 days. So here on the 90-minute chart, last night we're right around here, right here. And I was saying, hey, we need to get back up over 85. We haven't really gotten over there. We haven't flipped it back to supports here on the 90-minute chart. And we're currently looking like we're seeing some cat ears. What are cat ears? Well, this looks like a cat head, some cat ears. It's basically just a double top. And the double tops usually play back out to where they came from, which would be down here around 83. It's not a big double top. We could even do an extension, but it's not going to be a big extension either. Even if this little double top here plays out, it would still only play down to about 82,000. That 200 moving average here on the 90-minute chart. So hey, let's watch for that to happen. We are seeing the Stokes pointing to the downside, our side moving into bearish territory. So we'll move down, to retest these levels here. Might be on the table, or even further to retest that 200. But as long as we're over that 200 on the 90, there's still a good chance that we can get back up over that 85. And if we can get back up over that 85, well, great. We can see some actual movement, There is a bit of a bull flag here. Let me draw it out. Here on the 90-minute chart. We're going to make it green so it stands out from the upward trending wedge there. Green. Bam. All right, and then like this. And the lower trend of the bear flag would be something like that. So we got this bear flag. Bull flag. I meant to say bull flag. Bull flag here on the 90. If it played out, let's just say from the lower, let's say from down here at 82, it would play up to about 89,738, which is just shy of that 90,000 resistance that we need to break in order to flip the bear flag, or invalidate the bear flag on the 6-hour chart. We'll get there. But other than this bull flag that we're seeing there, we're also seeing a little bit of a inverted head and shoulders here as well. Whoop. That's not good. Here, redo that. Shoulder, left shoulder. Here's the head, and then the right shoulder's there. Now, it kind of could be invalidating itself if it falls any lower than where it is right now, 84, and that head and shoulders is invalidated. But as long as it's there, let's make a measured move of it. And that would put us up at around 87. Hey, let's get to 87, y'all. But yeah, it would be a move up. So that one may not happen. This bull flag may happen. Where would this bull flag get invalidated? Well, do what we always do. We'll take the fib retracement of the bull flag, and it would be invalidated down here around 80K. So hey, we got a chance. Hopefully we stay over that 200. That'll keep our chance much better. But as of right now, our indicators are pointing to the downside. So we want to see the Stokes get all the way down, or just to the 50, wherever it finds bottom. We want to see it find bottom and start oscillating back up before price action gets under that 200 moving average, which also coincides with 82. That 82 support now. All right, over to the 6-hour chart. Like we were talking about, the 90 hey, resistance is the invalidation point for our bear flag. We've been talking about that for a while. Where's the bear flag play out to from right now? Well, same as yesterday. We talked about it. 70,000, just shy of it, just north of it. We are still seeing this bullish divergence. Now we're seeing confluence, remaining confluence. It's good. Kind of seeing an inverted head and shoulders here as well. It's like a real wonky one, but it's like, is this the shoulder? And then now it's a head. And then this is another shoulder there. That's possible. It's a little wonky, but measured move up to the shoulder line. Bring this up to 94. Hey, possible. It's quite possible. All right. We got the bullish div, we got the inverted head and shoulders, we gotten over our first old resistance here. Well, sort of, kind of, we're fighting with it right now. If we can get through it, then perfect. Next stop, next resistance, upward trending resistance. Then we got the 90. If we can break the 90, perfect. Got that resistance as well, but at that point, like, this bear flag goes away, and these resistances, which are former bear flag supports, also go away. And then we'll be looking for other patterns. There's that bull flag from the 90-minute chart. The head and shoulders here kind of correlates to where the bull flag would play out to. All right, let's take a look at the daily real quick, and this one might actually be a short one, kind of a short one, or like right on time. Here's the daily. Still got the bull flag. Still coming out of the downward trending wedge, which means, hey, upward trending wedge might be coming. Where does the upward trending wedge take us? Back to the top of our channel. Right there at the all-time highs. Forgot to mention that upward trending wedge on the 90-minute chart, if that plays down, though, then we're going back to the bottom of our pattern here. Whoosh. Way back down here at roughly 74. 73,757. Is that where I put that? Make that a little higher. Is that locked? Oh, okay. I don't even remember putting that line there, but okay, we'll leave it there for now. Yeah. If this downward trending wedge, though, if like this bull flag doesn't play out, if this inverted head and shoulders doesn't play out, then when we're gonna see. Then we'll be seeing price action getting under that 200. Then we could say that this upward trending wedge is most likely going to play out back to the downside, maybe as far as 74, but hopefully 77 catches it, puts in a higher high. Yeah. Back to the daily real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Watching for some upside, pensively still for today, because it is Monday. It's false move Monday. But yeah. Let's see if we can play it out, man. We still got this double top or double bottom here. If the double bottom could play out, we could see price action get as high as that 94K, which, yeah, we were just talking about that. We are still under that 200, though. We want to see it get over the 200 here. We did still see that death cross here, which is a sign for us, because the 50 should be over the 200 in a bull run. It should be. Let's make this bigger. There we go. But yeah, the 50 should be over the 200. We can move this fib retracement. We'll just make it smaller so it's not like taking up quite as much space. Like that. There you go. Yeah. We're over the 618. It's looking like we're going, man. Things continue to be positive news and whatnot, then there's a good chance that we could still see all-time highs by like October of this year, maybe May, maybe June, maybe the summer, maybe July. This line says May, we could see 115. But like, let's just go over to the weekly real quick. There you are. we were projecting upwards as high as 150, well 140 if it gets down to the 786, but from here, if it bounces, then as high as 150. Now, if that's the case, that's great. I would love to see that. But if that is the case, let's move this up a little higher too. Our return value, like we were talking about yesterday, how low would we go? And during the bear, we'd go as low as 30 something, but if we got that high, 35 would be a return pace. But yeah, we can maybe get up there. 115, possibly. That was the move from this shorter projection. But yeah, let's back to the daily. Back to the daily. It's possible. It's possible. We got a lot of resistance above us, but it's possible. As long as we can hold over that 786, not flip it. We got some wicks under it, but we never flipped it. As long as that can happen, then all-time high is still on the table. At least 115, maybe by the end of May. We'll see. Like I said, got a lot of resistance above us. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. The music has been provided by Luminous, Veloa, and Saxsquatch. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Again, much love, and I'll see you tomorrow.